Note-taking has always been one of the most time-consuming tasks for students. But in 2025, artificial intelligence has made it faster, easier, and smarter. Today, 20 powerful AI tools stand out for their ability to write, summarize, and organize school notes while still requiring students to maintain accuracy, integrity, and ownership of their work. ChatGPT remains one of the most widely used academic assistants because it can generate accurate summaries of lectures and break down subject-specific concepts into study-ready outlines or flashcards. Its intuitive chat interface makes it easy to use, but students must always cross-check the information for accuracy and cite sources where needed to uphold academic integrity. Claude by Anthropic excels at detailed and context-rich notes that often feel more like well-developed explanations than quick outlines. It has strong academic focus and accuracy in complex subjects, but like any AI, students must review its outputs to ensure reliability and maintain ownership of their work by adding their own insights. Notion AI shines in organization, converting scattered lecture points and raw input into polished pages that can be linked to schedules and to-do lists. It is highly intuitive, lowering the learning curve, but students should always verify the quality of summaries before relying on them fully, especially when preparing academic submissions. Google Notebook LM integrates seamlessly with transcripts and readings, condensing large documents into useful study notes. Its academic strength lies in handling subject-heavy texts, but students must be careful to attribute ideas properly and confirm that the summaries reflect the original material accurately. Otter.ai is a transcription powerhouse, capturing live lectures and discussions in real time and storing them as searchable notes. While the accuracy is strong, students still need to proofread transcript for errors and highlight the most critical points to avoid copying raw output into assignments without proper review. Audiopen turns spoken ideas into polished, written notes, which is perfect for students who prefer verbal processing. Its ease of use is unmatched, but the notes it generates should always be checked for completeness and supported with references, ensuring that the student's own voice and interpretations remain central. QuillBot, long known for paraphrasing, now condenses lengthy readings into concise summaries. It is effective in breaking down academic texts, but students must carefully verify accuracy, especially with subject-specific terminology, and avoid relying on paraphrasing alone, as it could compromise originality if not reviewed. Grammarly, while often seen as a grammar tool, has expanded into summarization and restructuring of lecture notes. It makes refining rough drafts simple and quick, but students must ensure that their academic arguments remain intact and are not overly altered by AI-generated phrasing. Elicit is built for academic research, extracting key insights and formatting them into usable notes. Its academic focus is strong, but outputs may miss nuance, so students should cross-check references and never substitute AI-generated notes for direct engagement with scholarly sources. Perplexity AI adds value by offering concise summaries with citations, making it particularly useful in technical or research-heavy contexts. Still, students must validate citations and confirm accuracy, since AI can occasionally misrepresent sources even when it appears precise. Socratic by Google helps simplify complex homework problems step by step, creating structured notes out of solutions. While very accessible, students should treat it as a supportive tool rather than a replacement for problem-solving practice, ensuring they understand the logic behind the steps. Quizlet now uses AI to generate personalized flashcards and summaries from uploaded readings. It is an effective memorization tool, but learners must review cards for factual accuracy and maintain ethical use by ensuring that AI-generated flashcards reflect their own study goals. Cactus AI was designed specifically for students, focusing on homework and study notes. Its academic orientation makes it reliable for quick prep, but students must avoid over-reliance, remembering that assignments require their personal input and original analysis. Brainly combines AI with collaborative knowledge, producing summarized explanations drawn from its community. This makes it easy to grasp broad ideas, but students must critically evaluate accuracy, as peer-generated content may vary in reliability. Smart Sparrow adapts to a student's strengths and weaknesses, generating personalized study notes that evolve with progress. While its adaptive nature is useful, students must balance its outputs with their own review to ensure that their unique interpretations of the subject remain clear. Evernote AI enhances the classic note-taking platform with summarization and organizational tools. Its ease of use makes it appealing, but learners must still ensure that notes are not blindly copied and are integrated with their own thoughts and class materials. Microsoft OneNote now includes AI features that highlight key points in lecture slides and condense them into summaries. It works seamlessly within academic workflows, but students must critically check the highlights to confirm that the AI has not overlooked essential details. Fireflies.ai records and transcribes group discussions or study sessions, turning them into searchable notes. While useful, the outputs must be checked for accuracy, and students should ensure the tool is used ethically with permission from all participants before recording. Scribe AI is especially helpful in process-driven subjects, recording workflows and converting them into step-by-step study guides. Its clarity makes learning easier, but students must attribute the structured guides properly and confirm that the details match original instructions. Jasper AI has become a favorite for transforming dense textbooks into clear, structured notes. Its strength is readability, but students must cross-reference AI summaries against textbooks to avoid missing critical details or misrepresenting complex concepts. HyperWrite rounds out the list as a quick, lightweight summarization tool that polishes notes and drafts into clean outlines. Its simplicity makes it efficient, but as with all AI tools, students must add their own perspectives and ensure that academic integrity is upheld. Together, these 20 tools showcase how AI can support academic note-taking, but they also emphasize the responsibility students have in reviewing, verifying, and ethically integrating these outputs. AI should always serve as a supportive aid, never a substitute for learning, ensuring that students remain the true authors of their academic journey.